Whoever does the best is going to get that double slime surprise. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Well, guess what? Well, in that case, I don't want to waste no more of your time. Come on, let's go to the sky. Hey, let's go to the sky. Come on, now tell me what you got.
Okay.
Hey, turn on. Let's go. Let's go. Hey. Go, 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 go.
Okay.
Go ahead. Go ahead. You better move your prime in there.
Okay.
Go ahead. Go ahead. And do that prime in there. Go, 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 go. I said go ahead. Go ahead. You better move your prime in there. I said go ahead. Go ahead. And do that prime in there. So it's slime time. It's slime time. It's slime time.
Slime time.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we got 4 new slimers. Now, after reviewing all the slimers, there were 2 that were really sticking out to me, and I just couldn't pick between the 2. So guess what? I'm taking the responsibility off of me, and I'm putting it on y'all. I'm gonna let y'all pick, okay? So the tie is between her. Okay, y'all, here we go. So, I'm going to put this up over the left hand, and you make noise, the most noise for who you think should win, okay? So, here we go. All right. But this is who I wanted to pick anyway. So, here we go. Say it with me, y'all. Bucket.
Bucket, 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 bucket.
And for a close amount of others, I'm not leaving you out. And I'm not gonna leave you out down here because you really did it too. So it was hard for me to pick. But y'all all did a good job. Y'all all did a good job.
Looks like Kool-Aid.
You don't taste like Kool-Aid. All right, y'all, here we go. So when I say slime, y'all say time. All right, and give me that big time that I need. All right, here we go. When I say slime, y'all say time. Slime.
Time.
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 Support right here. All right, here we go. Count down on 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Sebby is very mad. He's mad.
That was good. I didn't like how that came out. It's still coming? All right, stop it up, y'all. Stop it up. Because guess what it's going to be next? There you go. You said it. Say it with us, y'all. Extra slime.
Extra slime. Extra slime.
Stop it up, y'all. Stop it up. Hey, go. Get it up. Go, get it up. Go, get it up. Go, get it up. Go, get it up.
All right.
For some reason, hers don't want to come out. But y'all, how y'all feel? You feel funny?
Yes.
You feel something down there. I'm going to talk a little bit.